For many of us, it was a dry and fine weekend with plenty of sunshine, particularly across western areas. And as we go into this week, it's set to remain dry with this big area of high pressure keeping it largely settled right across the UK. Now, if you look at Tuesday in more detail, you can see there's plenty of sunshine right across the UK. Perhaps a little bit more cloud down the east coast of England at times, and some thicker cloud in the north of Scotland could give a little bit of patchy rain and drizzle. But for most of us, it's dry, and in that sunshine, temperatures will climb into the mid to high teens, particularly across West Wales and southwest England, where it could hit 18 or 19 degrees. Always cooler a little bit further east, and it will be particularly cool in the southeast and East Anglia, with that brisk northeasterly wind continuing. Now, as we go into Wednesday, there will be a little bit more cloud around, particularly across central and eastern areas of the country. But that should break up as we go into the afternoon to allow some sunny spells to develop, although it will stay fairly cloudy once again across northern Scotland. Now, the best of the sunshine will be across southwest England, Wales and Northern Ireland, where here temperatures could hit 18 or 19 degrees Celsius. Perhaps one or two spots could get to 20. Always cooler again down the east coast, and that breeze continuing in the southeast of England. Now, as we go into Thursday, there will be more in the way of cloud right across the UK, but that cloud should break up as we go into the afternoon to allow some sunny spells to develop, particularly across southern and western parts of the UK. Always more cloud further north and east, and a few isolated showers could start in the afternoon across Scotland and northern England. But for most, it will be dry, and those temperatures once again reaching the high teens, perhaps 20 or 21 in a few spots. Now, as we go through Thursday night into Friday, that area of high pressure is set to decline, allowing areas of low pressure to move in off the Atlantic, and that does mean there will be a greater risk of seeing some rain through Friday. Now, as we go through the day, a band of shower rain is expected to push northeastwards through the day, followed by a scattering of showers. It will be breezy right across the country, but with winds coming up from a southwesterly direction, it's set to be mild, with temperatures once again reaching the mid-teens. And as we go through the weekend, it's set to remain unsettled, with many of us seeing some rain at times. Now, if you need any more detail on the weather for this week or up to 14 days ahead, go to the Weather Network UK or download our free app for iPhone and Android.